Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to import your Telegram wallet to your tonkeeper. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please do well to tap on the subscription button, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Okay, let's go straight to what we have for today. The first thing you have to do is to open your Telegram this way, then tap on the three dots at the Okay, let me show you. The three dots at the left corner of your screen. Then tap on wallet. So this is my wallet. Then the next thing you have to do is to tap on settings. Make sure that your tone space is on. You can see my tap to review. So this is my I've backed it up already. So I have my 24 phrase for backup now. So you can see the interface of how my Telegram looks like. So the next thing I can do is to go to my thumb space and then copy those phrase because I'll be using them to import my Telegram wallet to my tonkeeper. So I have backed it. There are two methods of backing it up. We have the manual and the email method. I use the manual method to back it up. So the next thing you have to do is to go out from your Telegram wallet, then go and look for your tonkeeper. So I'll be typing tonkeeper because that's what I'm looking for. So this is my tonkeeper here. So I will allow it to boot. It's going to take some time to boot. Okay, so this is it. The next thing I have to do is tap on wallets, then tap on add wallets. Already I have copied the 24 phrase on my Telegram wallet, so I'll be importing my wallet with 24 secret recovery. Wait, look, we have three methods there. We have the new wallet, that is to create a new wallet. We have the existing wallet. It simply means that you're going to import wallet with 24 secret recovery words. This is just the way I did now. Then we have the pair with ledger, hardware model, Bluetooth, limited term features. So now I'll be using the second option there because I have already copied my 24 secret recovery words. So now I tapped on it. So the next thing I'll have to do is to paste it. So after pasting it, the next thing I have to do is to tap on continue. So the next thing I have to do is to enter my PIN code, and then I can now tap on enable. When I tap on enable this way, I select any of the color that I wish to have here. So I'll be selecting color 2 and I tap on save. So guys, that is it on how to import your Telegram wallet to your tonkeeper. If this video was helpful, please do well to tap on the subscription button, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload video like this. Thanks for watching.